Okay, this is like the most boldest bird right here, right?
He's actually puffed up because it's cold.
Yes.
In reality, he's...
But this is how close he is to us.
Hey, baby.
We're at LA Live, right? Harold and Gabby, they're going to be doing.
Everything is live here.
They're going to be doing ice skating. Not me though. I'm in shorts.
And here's Panfilito #1 here.
You know what? If I had stuff, I could actually like put it in my hand and probably feed it.
Yeah.
See how close you can put your hand on the thing. Oh, Gabby.
Panfilito.
No. This is pretty close.
Panfilito.
I'm like about a foot away.
Less.
Get closer. Yes. Awesome.
Panfilito.
He's gonna bite my finger. Okay. Give him his space. Oh, there we go. Ooh.
He opened his mouth. Did you see that?
See that? Maybe you gotta.
Sorry.
All right. So the bird came back.
The same one. They already been fed.
That's the one. I know.
Follow your hand.
Yeah.
But that's the same one, huh?
Yeah. That's Panfilo right there, right?
Mira. They're domesticated 100%.
They're waiting. They're not seeing the food.
Right.